Hello everyone. I wanted to create a video that will show you some of the features of Odysseyware. When you first log into Odysseyware and you're on the home screen, and I'm actually logged in as Shelby, I wanted to show what it looked like when a teacher logs in. But when you're on the home screen, it will show any kind of new messages that you may have here in this area. It will also show your students that are in your class, and it will just show some recent actions of those students. If you wanted to send a message, you just click on Messages up here in the blue bar. It will show any messages that you may have in your inbox. If you would like to send a new message, you just click New Message. And you have the option to send this message to all students, or you can select a particular student and just send that individual student your message. You also can click on the Student tab. This Student tab will just show you all of the students that you have in your class, if you just wanted to kind of see them at a glance. The main reason I wanted to make this video today is when you are getting ready to start this school year, we have our students, and I think except for kindergarten, we have all of them on CRX mode, which means that they have to take a pretest before beginning a unit. And any kind of assessments on Odysseyware, they are actually blocked, and you have to unblock them for the student. And you cannot just do that as a whole class. Odysseyware has that set up to where you actually have to go and unblock each individual student, because as they start working on these units, children work at different speeds. So you don't want one student to just be going quickly through the unit and taking these assessments when maybe they're not ready. You may have to supplement with some other things. So in order to unblock those pre-assessments, you need to go to Gradebook. Once you are in Gradebook, you need to click View by Course. And then this makes it easier if you select the subject. I'm just going to select Math. And since I'm logged in as Shelby, she only has fourth grade courses. So fourth grade courses will either say like English Language Arts 400, or Mathematics 400, Science 400, and then History and Geography 400. So I'm just going to select Math to show the math course, and then just select Search. Once you are there, it will show all of your students that are enrolled in that particular course. So if Shelby wants to unblock all of those pre-assessments for her students, you have to click the little plus sign that is located next to their name. And then these are the units. Okay, so this one actually has 10 units. So you will have to click the plus sign next to the unit. And then this is the pretest. So she will need to uncheck that box. And now it is unblocked so that this particular student can actually go in there and take that pre-assessment. So once you do it for one student and you're ready, and you want the next student to also take the pretest, you do the exact same thing. Select the plus signs, and then you have to uncheck that blocked box. So that is how you will go in and unblock those. Let's say that Shelby wants to do the math pretest on one day. Then maybe she doesn't want to unblock her English Language Arts until the next day, or you may want them to complete it all in the same day. It's totally up to you and your team. But if she wants to do that, she'll select English Language Arts, select Language Arts 400, and then select Search. And again, it will show students that are enrolled in her class. And you select the plus sign, and you do the exact same thing. Whoops. This shows all of the different units. This one has 9, it looks like. And select the plus sign, and she will have to go in there and uncheck that box so that this student can take that pre-assessment. Okay, so that is how you will allow students to take any assessments. There's also a reports tab that I think that we will use as we get students in there and they are actually taking these pre-tests and doing the lessons and quizzes and projects. There's a lot of different reports, but honestly, as you all know, this is a brand new program to us. So as I gain more information and I learn a little bit more about Odysseyware, I will be sure to create some short videos like this one, and that way it'll kind of give you a better understanding of which parts of this program that we will be using the most. So I hope this helps a little bit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If I don't know the answers, I promise I will